Have you ever had VSCode Copilot Agent just freeze up after your very first terminal command? For months, I assumed it was just buggy AI, but it turns out the real culprit might be your terminal setup, especially if you're using fancy plugins like Pawel R with OhMyZsh or any other. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you exactly why this happens and how a simple tweak made Copilot Agent mode work flawlessly for me. If you've got VS Code set up with the ZSH shell, Pawel R and OhMyZsh plugins, you might notice that Copilot Agent mode runs the first command just fine, but then gets stuck or refuses to run the next one. Super frustrating, right? And it's not just me. Lots of users with advanced prompts or terminal plugins run into the same thing. The fix is simple. We're going to set the bash terminal as the VS Code's default one for the OS you work in. I'm going to show you how to do so for macOS since it's the one I use. And bash is clean terminal in my case. Let me show you how to set it up. Open VS Code's settings. Search for default profile. Find the terminal integrated default profile setting. And pick bash or any clean terminal without plugins. For Linux and Windows, you have to set the correct name in the settings JSON file. You can click on the link as you can see here, and the JSON file will open with the setting added. You just have to provide a value, a name of your terminal. Let's see it in action. With bash set as the default terminal, Copilot Agent blows through commands one after another. No more freezing, no more waiting. And remember, you can still use ZSH, OhMyZsh, Pawel R and all your favorite stuff in the manual terminal or in any other emulator, like in Warp. Just keep Copilot's default terminal clean. So, if Copilot Agent keeps stalling, try switching up VS Code's default terminal. It's a quick fix and can save you a ton of both frustration and time. If this helped, or you want more dev hacks, hit subscribe and drop your own Copilot war stories below. Stay up to speed with everything Copilot. Click through to the next video for more expert insights.